Hello everyone! Today we're embarking on an exciting journey to discover how massive truck tires for mining vehicles and giant excavator tires are made. These aren't just ordinary rubber circles, they are the perfect combination of strength, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll explore how raw materials are transformed into tough, road-ready tires that can conquer any terrain. Stick around until the end of the video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share this video. Now let's begin our adventure. First, let's explore the key ingredients that make these incredible tires possible. Natural rubber is harvested from tropical forests. Synthetic rubber is derived from petroleum. Here's how rubber is planted, harvested, and processed before being turned into industrial materials, including tire production. Natural rubber provides excellent elasticity, while synthetic rubber enhances durability and heat resistance. Each type of rubber plays a crucial role. Natural rubber provides elasticity, while synthetic rubber enhances durability. But that's not all. We also need carbon black for strength, silica for better grip, and sulfur for a fascinating transformation later on. The weighing of mass and mixing ratio is controlled by a computer. This material mixture is thoroughly kneaded according to the precisely designed ratio, ensuring uniform quality. All these materials are loaded into a massive mixing machine, where they are blended at high temperatures to create the perfect rubber compound. Even the smallest mistake can impact tire quality, so every step here is carefully controlled. This rubber mixture is kneaded and rolled multiple times to ensure uniform quality. After engineers inspect and evaluate the material to meet quality standards, it is rolled into small strips and sent to the next stage. Once we have the perfect rubber mix, it's time to build the tire. A super strong tire needs multiple layers. Steel belts keep the tire sturdy and able to handle heavy loads. These steel cords are made from special materials, offering both flexibility and extreme strength while bonding tightly with the rubber. Fabric plies reinforce durability and elasticity. These layers, woven from high-strength polyester fibers, ensure superior resilience. Inner rubber layer seals in air, preventing leaks. This is a crucial part that keeps tire pressure stable over time. Skilled engineers and workers carefully arrange these layers with precision to ensure a flawless build before moving on to the next step: molding. All these layers are assembled on a giant rotating drum, layer by layer, creating a fully structured tire. And just like that, our first living tire is born. Have you ever wondered why tires have those deep grooves and rugged patterns? They're not just for looks. Each design serves a purpose. Water channels prevent skidding on wet roads. Tread blocks enhance traction on rough terrains. Contact patches improve grip at high speeds. Under intense heat and pressure, the mold precisely imprints these patterns onto the tire. Each tread design is carefully engineered to optimize performance for different types of vehicles and terrain. Pretty awesome, right? Now for the most important step, vulcanization. Inside a curing chamber at 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, the rubber undergoes a fascinating chemical transformation. By reacting with sulfur, it becomes tougher, more elastic, and highly durable. This process makes the tire resistant to extreme conditions, from scorching highways to rocky roads. Now that the tire is complete, it must pass a series of rigorous tests before hitting the road. Balance check ensures a smooth ride with no wobbles. Durability test puts the tire under extreme pressure to see how much it can handle. Air tightness test detects even the smallest leaks. Only the highest quality tires make it through. And since these tires are built for massive machines, they undergo incredibly strict inspections. After an extensive journey from raw materials to a meticulous production process, these giant tires are now ready to hit the road, serving thousands of heavy-duty vehicles around the world. Thank you for joining us on this amazing machines adventure. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss our next exciting episode. See you next time.